Hola people, Bree Slay here, aka the beauty plug, all that connects you to your beautiful. And today on another What's New Wednesday, I am gonna bring you guys the tea on the tea on the tea on the new Kayali Oudgasm Vanilla Oud. It was gifted to me for my birthday, so I'm bringing it to y'all. So if you want to know what this new fragrance smells like and you want the real tea, you know, all tea, no shade, and maybe a little shade if it ain't right, then come on now, you know what to do. All right, y'all, so my birthday just passed, and for me, my birthday is 2 weeks before the date and 2 weeks after. Okay, I'm one of those. And one of my good girlfriends, my sister, my mama's godmom, my daughter's godmama, asked me what I wanted, and I said, listen, this is what I want. And so I got it today. She gave it to me, and I'm gonna unbox it with y'all. So, you know, Kayali does her thing. Well, she does her thing with these fragrances. And so she came out with a whole oud collection. And I like rose. I love oud. But looking at people's reviews, I was like, you know what? Let me try the vanilla, because I like the vanilla one too. I like vanilla too. So here it is. Oudgasm Vanilla Oud Intense de Parfum 1.7 ounce. So now let's see what we're doing. So we're gonna unbox this. Now, let's talk about some notes, okay? This is said to have top notes of praline, saffron, and pear. Middle notes of Bulgarian rose. I adore Bulgarian rose, okay? Base notes of vanilla sugar, white musk, cashmere wood, oud, and oak musk. Baby, if you don't know nothing about me, you know that I love me a woody fragrance. I love me a oud. I love me a vanilla. I love me a sexy. I love me all the things. So the fact that this has saffron in it, I'm sold. Okay? Vanilla, I'm sold. Oud, I am sold. So this is the typical Kayali packaging. This bottle, let me tell you something. If you have the other one, the elixir, I think it's number 11. That bottle is stunning. It's black. This bottle is black. But it's not a black opaque like the number 11. This is like a black, but you can see through the bottle still. Look at this. Luxury, baby. Luxury. Okay? Ooh, wait! She excited? Okay. And shout out to my hairdresser, just a little pause. Shout out to my hairdresser, Chris, who lives in Atlanta. Yes, I am from New York City all day, every day, stand up. But I fly every 2 months to Atlanta. Now, don't get it twisted. My hairdresser is from New York and relocated to Atlanta. And I go to Atlanta every 2 weeks to go get, every 2 months to go get my hair done. Because she gets it right and she slays it every time. Check this out. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. Anyway, back to the review. So we're going to spray this on my test strip and see what it's giving. Okay? Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Now, you know I'm all for, you know what this reminds me of? Let me spray my hand now. So on the test strip, I get the saffron, the praline, vanilla sugar. I get all the notes. Now, if you don't like oud, you will like this because the oud is very mild in here. Like, it's a very mild, extremely mild oud. So don't be afraid. So this is sexy. It's grown. It reminds me of a milder version of a Middle Eastern fragrance that I have. Shagf Ouds. Shagf Oud, it reminds me of a milder version of that with vanilla in it. It's a very mild oud. So if you don't like oud, you may like this because it's mild. It gives me along the lines of Tobacco Vanille by Tom Ford with a little splash of oud in it. And I'm interested in seeing what the rose oud smells like, because I like rose and I like oud. Yeah, so this is done fairly well. I feel like if you want to test oud and you want to try oud, then I think that you should kind of like give this a try. Shagf oud, if you like Shagf oud and it just was too strong for you and you like something a bit warmer, it's almost as if you took Kayali Vanilla 28 and Shagf oud and mixed it together. But Shagf oud is a lot stronger than this. This is a very sweet, sexy, very girly, feminine, seductive oud. This can be worn on a cool day, definitely at night, definitely a date night fragrance. Yeah, she did a good job. So I have to put this to the test and wear it. But as of now, and in comparison to, if you do not have ouds in your collection, is this a stay or a slay? It's definitely a slay if you're new to ouds, okay? Is it a stay if you already have ouds in your collection? Do you have to absolutely go out and buy this? Absolutely not. It's actually a sway, because it could sway between stay or slay, okay? So, and then I feel like the more that it dries down on me, the sweeter and better it's smelling. Yeah. All right, Kayali, you did that. You don't get a you did that, but you did that. Yeah, this is definitely, this is definitely a win-win-win-win. It is. So if you want something subtle, sexy, you want an oud, you're new to oud, you haven't really tried oud, and you want something grown and sexy, I suggest that you go and check it out. Let it sit on the skin. I find like as it's sitting on me, it's warming up, and it's getting very, very warm and sweet. This praline is starting to come out. Even though that's a top note, my skin is starting to pull it out. It's pulling out the vanilla, as my skin does with all fragrances. The cashmere. Yeah, this thing's smelling good, baby. As it's settling down, baby, it's smelling good, honey. Yeah, this is going to be my new scent for the fall. Scent of fall and scent of winter. Yeah. This is a slay. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Those are my thoughts on the new Kayali Oudgasm Vanilla Oud. That's number 36. Thank you all for coming in and tuning in. I am still in celebration mode for my birthday, so give me a little shout out. And I just want to say thank you all for your support. As always, stay elevated, stay humble, stay beautiful, and stay blessed.